Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting to you the 15 different scientific and logical ways to reduce stress. If you follow these, I promise you can be a stress-free, happy and ecstatic man. Number 1, watch something funny. Laughter really is the best medicine. It relieves physical tension, reduces stress and increases, immunity. So watch your favorite comedy and laugh your way to the tranquility. Well, my favorite is the American TV show Friends, and I always watch it when I'm stressed. And believe you me, it helps a lot, and also it improves your English language as well. So go watch your favorite comedy scene. Number 2, yoga. Now, this relaxing exercise may make you look a little bit exhausted and tired, but gives it a go. Start with your toes, go up through your body, gradually clenching each of your muscles right through to the tiny ones in your face. Keep your whole body clenched, hold and then release to let go of all the tension. Feel good, huh? Number 3, eat a banana. Well, when we are tired and stressed out, our blood pressure tends to rise, but the potassium found in the bananas can help to regulate this. Stress can also leave us feeling dejected, but bananas give you a replenishing energy boost that will get you swinging from the stress again. Number 4, stay silly. Yes, don't leave playtime at the primary school gates. Studies have consistently highlighted the importance of play for helping manage stress throughout our lives. Goofing around is good for us, so bring out the Lego, pull ugly faces and dance in the rain shamelessly. It will make you happy. Number 5, keep calm and kiss. A study says kissing increases levels of the love hormones, which relaxes us whilst decreasing the stress hormone. It has been shown that kissing can lower anxiety in a similar way to meditation, as well as generally improving your mood through an increase of serotonin and endorphins in the brain. So love really does conquer all. Go kiss your partner. Number 6, a spoonful of honey. Mother Nature's delicious treat has compounds that reduce inflammation in the brain, which can help improve a low mood. So eat honey, be happy. Number 7, turn up the music and dance. Combining music and dance can help build self-esteem, lift your mood and reduce anxiety. Dancing may also help express emotions and experiences that are difficult to communicate in words alone. You understand that? So go dance like no one is watching you. Enjoy yourself. Number 8, have a good hug. A survey reveals that hugging increases serotonin levels, which are linked to happiness, and releases oxytocin, which lowers stress hormones. Hugging your lover is an amazing blessing. How lovely, na? Number 9, drink green tea. Feeling all worked up and messed? Green tea is a source of the chemicals which can help relieve anger and stress and anxiety. Try Tapal's jasmine flavor. That's my favorite. Number 10, take a long walk. Not only will walking trigger the release of the endorphins, which can reduce stress hormones, but being out in nature can boost serotonin levels, which can also contribute to an improved sense of well-being and freshness. Number 11, sleep well. While stress can interfere with sleeping, sleeping can also relieve stress. So when you feel messed up, try have a nice long sleep and dream about everything sweet and cute. Number 12, enjoy being in water. Paddle down to your local swimming pool and let the water do its magic. You have the least idea what a magical thing the water is. Exercise releases feel-good chemicals that can help improve our mental health, and swimming is a peaceful way of achieving this. Moving in water has relaxing effects on the body, the science says, as it allows oxygen to flow to your muscles, which consequently regulates your breathing. Okay, so better make a mini water pool at home if possible. Number 13, be nice to yourself. Very, very important. Be nice to yourself. Criticizing yourself again and again. Now, take some time to appreciate yourself, to practice self-love. Whether that means starting the day repeating positive affirmations about yourself or nourishing your body with the nutrition you need. Remember, ditching negative self-talk really will relieve a lot of stress. So dress nicely, shave yourself, or if you're a girl, do a little makeup and go visit a neighboring cousin. It will make you feel good. Number 14, turn off all electronic devices. Now, technology is a modern blessing, but it is a curse as well. Technology can be wonderful, but interconnectedness comes at a price. Laptops, phones, tabs, iPods, iPads all subtly increase our stress levels, making us feel constantly tired. They can also disrupt your sleep, which will only contribute to stress. So make sure you switch them off an hour or two before you go to bed. Oh, the conflicting joys of the 21st century, people. Number 15, and the last one, get a hobby. Pursuing a new hobby is a fun way to break away from life's demands, as well as allowing you to build your self-esteem, forge new friendships, and express yourself, which all contribute to the reduction of stress. Why don't you give up photography a go, or try out a free yoga class in the area, or the best, start gardening at home. Do whatever interests you, but do a hobby. That's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. See you next time.